Good evening, Orissa. I am Chandrabhanu Bhuyan. ଆପଣ ମାନଙ୍କୁ ମୋ କଥା କାର୍ଯ୍ୟକ୍ରମ which is powered by Quest. ଆଜି ଆମ ସହିତ ଜଣେ ଅତିଥି ଅଛନ୍ତି ଯିଏ ତାଙ୍କର କଠିନ ପରିଶ୍ରମ ସଫଳ ଅଧ୍ୟବସାୟ ବଳରେ ସବୁ ଅସୁବିଧାକୁ ସମ୍ମୁଖୀନ କରି 2019-20 IBPS स्पेशलिस्ट ऑफिसर मार्केटिंग डिवीजन रे इंडिया रो सबुठारु भलो सुनामधन्य बैंक पंजाब नेशनल बैंक पाई सिलेक्शन पाई चंते भोई फ्रॉम टिटलागढ़ मु तांको आज ए गेस्ट शो को वेलकम करूची तो हरित वेलकम टू द शो
Yes, sir.
Harit, welcome
Yes,
to the
sir.
show.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir,
Harit.
and to my all. Yes, sir.
Harit,
Yes, sir.
am I
Yes,
audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Hello, sir. Good evening,
Cheap
sir.
backgrounds, Baba Mang, from a lifestyle.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir, and to my all viewers. Myself, Mr. Harit Kumar Bhoi, son of Mr. Kishore Chandra Bhoi, and Mrs. Swarna Bhoi. I am
Harit,
from Titlagarh, Odisha.
again repeat it. Again,
Yes, sir.
repeat
Yes, sir.
it.
Good evening, sir, and to my all viewers, those who are watching today,
Okay.
the live session of Mo Kotha. Thank you, sir, providing me such a good platform that today I can speak in front of you and tell my
Okay.
juniors and those who are preparing competitive exams, I can tell my success story. Myself, Mr. Harit Kumar Bhoi, son of Mr. Kishore Chandra Bhoi and Mrs. Swarna Bhoi. I am from Titlagarh, which is situated in Balangir district, one of the hottest places of Odisha. And I have completed my Masters in Business Administration from Gandhi Engineering College, Bhubaneswar in the year 2013. My father is working in civil court as a clerk and my mother is a housewife. I have 3 sisters and 1 brother. All the 3 sisters are married and my brother is pursuing +2 science in residential college. After all, today I am selected in Punjab National Bank as a marketing officer through the guidance of Mr. Chandrabhanu Bhuyan sir, and the achievement which I got today, thankful to him and to my God that today I got my dream job after 6 years of preparation. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, Harit. कल जे नाई मु स्पेशलिस्ट ऑफिसर पाई प्रिपेयर करिबि बोले.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, after completing
Harit,
MBA,
तुमे
sir,
केबे डिसाइड कला जे नाई मु स्पेशलिस्ट ऑफिसर पाई.
sir, in the year 2015, sir, I decided to become a specialist officer as I had qualified earlier in specialist officer, but due to my low rating mark, I was not able to get the final placement in a good public sector bank. But sir, at that time, I was new to the field and I was not too much experienced. But I had joined Quest interview. I learned a lot from the sirs. But at that time, sir, I was a little bit nervous and I got very low mark in interview. But today I can feel proud that I got a very good mark in interview, even though you're telling that interview plays a vital role in success in the written exam or in any exam. Like in IBS, it's 80:20, 20% for interview and 80% for written. So, sir, when my mark came on March 19, when I saw my mark, I really felt discouraged that, oh no, what will happen now as my written marks are low. But I have the faith that I have performed very well in interview and I was hoping to get nice mark in interview. And today, that mark also I got, I really satisfied. And sir, I'm happy that I got selected in a good public sector bank, which is the second largest public sector bank in India. Thankful to you, sir, and I'm very much happy, and my father is also happy, sir.
Okay. Okay. Harit, तुमे केवल स्पेशलिस्ट ऑफिसर्स एग्जाम दउथिलो ना पीओ क्लरिकल दीटा के एग्जाम दउथिलो?
Yes, sir, I was giving all the exams from the year 2000 14 I was giving the exam like I was giving insurance exam, medical exam, IPS PO, RRB PO, SBI PO, SBI clerk, and whatever the specialist exam also were coming, I was giving. My friend Atulya Tripathi and Mr. Doma Reddy, they already got selected in the year 2016. They already motivated me that you are one of the students who have done marketing in MBA and you are one of the fittest guy to do the marketing job. So why don't you try for only marketing? I was giving all the exams, sir, but actually the exams which I was giving and only to know the pattern of the syllabus, the IPS which is conducting. As day by day, all year IPS is changing the pattern. So my dream was job was to get selection in IPS SO only, sir.
Okay. तो हरित
Yes, sir.
टिटलागढ़ रो आसी मुंगेर डिस्ट्रिक्ट रो आसी भुवनेश्वर कॉम्पिटिटिव वर्ल्ड रे निजु को मैनेज करिला बेले कोन कोन
Yes, sir.
प्रॉब्लम तमे नॉर्मल फेस करितलो
Sir, actually, Titlagarh is a backward district of Odisha. Like KVK comes in backward, so we are not up to that level. Like
Okay.
all the Utkal University students, we are like engineering students also there. So we are able to get up the knowledge in
Okay.
late. So once I joined Quest, I felt the difference. Like I joined fundamental coaching in Quest, then I gave online test in Quest, and I gave interview in Quest. I really felt the difference from all the institutes. Like what to say that like I was giving everyday mock, daily 2 mock I was giving at morning and at evening, and I felt really good. And at last I got success. And now our in Titlagarh all came to know me that Harit got PNB job, and all are happy to know it.
Okay. It is a nice bank. Actually, this is the nice
Yes.
bank. After SBI, you have a brand value called Punjab National Bank, right?
Yes, sir.
And you will
Yes,
get more Quest alumni in Punjab National Bank. They
Yes,
are
sir.
ready to welcome you in Punjab National Bank. Some of the famous names from like Sunil is there, Asima is there. They are working in PNB, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Clear. So, Harit, you are getting little bit of frustration after the results, right?
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, sir.
तो ମୁଁ କହିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି ତୁମେ କେମିତି ତମର ଫ୍ରଷ୍ଟ୍ରେସନ କୁ ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡେଲ କରୁଥିଲ ବା ଇନିशियल ଫେଲିୟର୍ସ କୁ କେମିତି ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡେଲ କରୁଥିଲ
Yes. Sir, after, as we all know that the results come on April 1, so my father always tells what about the results. So whenever I get failure, I tell to my father that I failed in this exam and failed in this exam. Then he used to tell that failure is a pillar of success. Keep giving exam till your age is not over.
Okay.
And I really got motivated by motivational videos, and I had talked with you once I felt like quitting. So I met you. Then you told me that if you had started the competitive exam, then why you are thinking of quitting? So at that day, sir, my mind changed, and I
Okay.
thought to start again, and I read very hard. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
ହରିତ ତମେ ତମ ଏଜ ର ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଟାଇମ ରେ ପ୍ରାୟତଃ ପହଞ୍ଚି ଯାଇଥିଲ କେବେ
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ଯେତେବେଳେ କେବେ ଭାବିନ କି ନାଇଁ ଆଉ କମ୍ପିଟିଟିଭ ମୋ ଦ୍ୱାରା ହେଇପାରିବନି ମୁଁ କ୍ୱିଟ୍ କରିଦେବି ଏମିତି କେବେ ଥିଲା କି
Yes, sir. This time I was really once shocked that what will happen, as it's my second last attempt, and at last attempt no one can get succeed. So I kept reading myself. Like from June onwards, I started reading
Okay.
IBS SO marketing. I kept reading the Philip Kotler book, which is one of the famous books. All the 23 chapters I had covered, and all the MCQ I had covered. And before it, I thought that prelim is important to get the job. So I always prepared myself for prelim. Daily I was giving mock, and till November I completed the mock, and I gave in December the prelim exam, in January mains exam, February interview, and due to delay of coronavirus, result didn't come on April 1. Again I thought, I got nervous, and I thought the vacancy might
Okay.
decrease this time. So result came on May 20, so it was
No,
really
no.
proud.
It's a myth.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it's actually a myth that you people are thinking that the number of vacancies will reduce. It's not possible, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Harit,
Yes, sir.
ଯଦି ତମେ ଗୋଟେ ମାର୍କେଟିଂ ହିସାବରେ ତମେ ତ ଆଜି ସକ୍ସେସ ପାଇ ସାରିଛ, ବ୍ରାଣ୍ଡ ଭ୍ୟାଲ୍ୟୁଜ କ୍ରିଏଟ କରି ସାରିଛ, ନିଜର ବ୍ରାଣ୍ଡିଂ ବି ତ ଯୋଉମାନେ ମାର୍କେଟିଂ ଏସବୁ ପ୍ରିପେୟାର କରୁଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କର ପ୍ରିପରେସନ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରାଟେଜି ମାନେ ମାର୍କେଟିଂ ପାଇଁ କଣ ରହିବା ଦରକାର ସବଜେକ୍ଟ ପାଇଁ
Sir, first of all, one guy who needs to prepare marketing, he should first, like in our marketing, also one term is there, SWOT analysis. He should evaluate strength, weakness, opportunity, and threat. First of all, he should know that in which subject he is good, in which subject he is having lacuna. So nowadays in English, all are having lacuna. Like in IPS SO, English is of half mark. If we attend 15 questions, then we can get around 7.5 marks. So English is the main thing of hurdle of any marketing guy, those who are applying. Like every year, all if they fail in marketing in prelim, they fail in English only, and in math and reasoning they don't fail. So sir, one guy who need to prepare marketing, he need to be clear thought that one, he should clear the marketing book, like product price based promotion, marketing segmentation, then what are the segment theory, what is target market, what is available market, what is potential market, all the terms are there in exam. If we don't read the book properly, then we can get confused by option. So we need to read the book at least 3 to 5 times. Then only we can succeed in marketing. It's not an easy task. If we think that after clearing prelim, we can read the book and within 15 days, it's not possible. It needs minimum 6 months to cover the book thoroughly, sir. Then only we can get the success in marketing. As in marketing, every year, very low number of posts comes and high number of candidates apply. Nowadays, it's the best job and it's one of the most respectable job to MBA field. Those who are containing MBA or want to apply marketing officer in future. So my suggestion is to sir, all those who are, want to prepare, they should read book thoroughly first.
Okay. जदि समाने नॉर्मली मार्केटिंग बही फॉलो करिवे हरित
यस सर
तो को बुक्स ऊपर माने फोकस करबा दरकार नॉर्मली ऑथर्स हिसाब रे को बुक्स तांके पय बेटर रही
यस सर 15th edition Philip Kotler book is one important book of for marketing, and they need to read the magazines, business magazines, and they need to read the HR book also. Like every year the pattern is going to change. Like this year they put current affairs in marketing. Last year they had given HR, finance, all that, but all are like confused what it had given. But everything is related only to marketing. Whatever we have studied in our MBA from first semester to fourth semester, everything last year IPS asked question, and we felt it is out of syllabus. But when we came to home and we saw the books, oh, this is that subject book, oh, this is that subject book. So this is the scenario, sir, nowadays. So we need to keep updated with marketing book main. Yes, sir.
That's why IBPS is called the surprise exam nowadays.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Do you agree?
Yes, sir. I agree, sir. Actually, I am giving IPS exam from last 5 years. So I know whatever the pattern is here. Like single exam was there, then prelim came, then again sectional timer came, and nowadays one new exam is conducting, like multiple exam, and slowly, sir, competition is increasing. And recently, you might have heard that RBI cutoff in Bhubaneswar is 96.50 out of 100.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
In prelim, I agree. In Reserve Bank of India, the cutoff is 96.5 in Odisha zones, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Harit, as a marketing guy,
yes, sir.
what are the characters normally a marketing manager of any public sector bank requires?
Sir, as a marketing officer, he needs first of all home loan, car loan, and whatever the deposits are coming. He need to look the overall banking facility, like how to develop the bank, how the customer will come to bank, and we should treat every customer is a VIP customer, and we should keep a long-term relationship with everyone so that our bank will get more profit by it, and we should serve our bank as our own property. We should not think that it's a government property and if it will not work then we will get salary. It's nothing like that. So according to me, it's a really good job, and I know that I can do it, sir.
Okay, Harit, जो प्रेजेंट जनरेशन रो पिला माने नॉर्मली टिटलागढ़ गोटे बहुत वाला डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स एजुकेटेड पिला अछंती किंतु प्रॉब्लम होची से माने लाइमलाइट के आसी पारुनांती कि भुवनेश्वर वाला जगह को आसी प्रिपरेशन करि पारुनांती तो हरित वर्तमान तांगर पई गोटे एग्जांपल
यस सर
राइट हरि जेमिति हमें देखु जे आईआईटीज मेडिकल पेरेंट्स माने स्टैंडर्ड 8 9 10 थ्रू सीरीज कोचंती तुम भावुन कि वर्तमान टाइम पळे आछि कॉम्पिटिटिव वर्ल्ड रे हमें ग्रेजुएशन
Yes, sir.
फर्स्ट ईयर प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट करबा दरकार
Yes, sir. Definitely.
राइट सेही हिसाब रे तमरो कोन माने जो फ्यूचर जनरेशन बैंकिंग एस्पिरेंट बा एनी कॉम्पिटिटिव एसएससी को रेलवेज को तो पिला माने ग्रेजुएशन फर्स्ट ईयर स्टार्ट करबा दरकार कि नहीं
In my point, sir, if any guy want to prepare for competitive exam, he should prepare at the end of plus two. Just after plus two exam, he give the final exams. Then he should prepare for competitive exams. He should know the real scenario of competitive. Like nowadays, when one of my junior qualified at the age of 22 SPIPO, I asked him that at what age did you prepare for this exam and how you got it? As I am not getting the exam by preparing since last 4 years. He told me that his brother told that to prepare from plus two only. Or he purchased the magazines, whatever the magazines were available in market. He knew the pattern of the exam. He then practiced math and puzzles in the leisure time, not always in the leisure time. But as soon as he reached plus three, he practiced rigorously all that and joined in a coaching institute for it. And he got success at an early age of SBIPO. Like sir, nowadays all are recommending the books, mathematics, Sarvesh Sharma, all these things. But if one can join in Quest Institute, the quality materials which you are providing are really benefit for benefit. He need not search here and there and buy some books or all that. So in my point, one should prepare at early stage and join Quest Institute Bhubaneswar, which is located in Said Nagar.
Yes. Okay. ओके हरित मु जानिबा को चाहूची नॉर्मली गोटे पिला हमें ओडिया मीडियम हमर इंग्लिश रे टिके प्रॉब्लम रहउचे मैथ रे प्रॉब्लम नाही बट इंग्लिश रे प्रॉब्लम रहउचे तो गोटे पिला ग्रेजुएशन फर्स्ट ईयर पढुचे इंग्लिश रो डेवलपमेंट पाई कने देखो प्लस 2 रे मार्क रखवा अलगा ग्रेजुएशन में मार्क रखवा अलगा बट कॉम्पिटिटिव इंग्लिश डिफरेंट हम कहि परिबो पीजी भलो मार्क पिला माने कोन करी की प्रिपरेशन करिवा पर्टिकुलरली इंग्लिश एंड जीके पाई
Sir, according to me, if we read English or if we follow the Wren and Martin book, nowadays it's outdated. Earlier days in SSC exam, it is good, but for banking exam, sir, we need to read articles, whatever the in newspaper it is coming, or in any online, like in Geo magazine, if you download, if you read Economic Times also, the newspaper. By reading habits only, one can develop English, and he need to speak in front of a mirror and tell daily at least 10 to 15 words, or else he can memorize the vocabulary whatever he is getting, then only he can improve English. And he need to use the words whatever he is noting down, and he need to have a practice on it, sir. First, slowly it's not an easy task that English if we study today we will get the result after the next day. It needs time, sir. Like a minimum 6 months if he reads English continuously, then gradually he will develop his mark and he will see development in his speaking power also, sir. So in my point, sir, Odia medium students are really good at speaking English rather than English medium school, because Odia medium students, those who speak, they really means everything they think, like what will the grammar, what will the tense, is it present tense, is it past tense, is it passive voice or it is active voice. So in my point, sir, if anyone has willpower, then he can do anything in his life.
Okay, you are an example of that. Okay, तो हरे
yes sir,
तुम्हें जेतबेले प्रिपरेशन करूथिलो,
yes sir,
तमे आईबीपीएस पीओ इंटरव्यू पिलांग सहित मीट करथिबो, एसओ इंटरव्यू देइथवा पिलांग सहित मीट करथिबो, तमे भी एसओ इंटरव्यू देइछ दुई दी तर मु जानि भाई हिसाब रे तमे भाबुछ कि पीओ इंटरव्यू एसओ इंटरव्यू विषय किछि डिफरेंस अछि बोली
there is a minor difference, sir. Like number of panel members who are sitting in SO interview are more as comparable to PO.
Definitely.
In SO interview, sir, first we think that they may ask only related our professional, but it's nothing like that. It's really similar to IPS PO also. Like they may ask banking awareness, they may ask current affairs, they may ask any question related it. Like when we are giving interview at that time, coronavirus was one of the latest topic. And which we had read everything, but my interview really went well. First of all, they asked me what you have studied for this interview. I told that I have studied marketing management. Anything you can ask regarding marketing. So they thoroughly asked me all related marketing, and I was really not nervous at that time. But in Quest Institute, I joined. I have given 10 to 15 mock, 1-to-1 mock. And I really found it useful. And in IPS interview, I really enjoyed it a lot. And while entering the room, and closing the door, they were really impressed. Whatever you are telling, that when you open that door or close it, at that time only you will get the mark. So, sir,
Okay.
it was
That
really
means
benefit for us.
okay, it's a benefit for you. Normally, 2 to 3 questions of IBPS SO you asked by the board.
Yes, sir. First of all, they
Tell
asked
me
me.
1 to 2.
Yes, sir. Sir, first of all, they asked me
Okay.
what are the basic customer needs. Second question, what are the difference between a diesel car and a petrol car? How can you sell me the water bottle to me? Please give a demo on it. These are the most
Okay.
important questions what they asked, sir. And really, they were impressed by my questions. And two of them were very young, sir.
Okay.
They really found it useful, and they told best of luck at last.
Okay. Best of luck. Right.
Yes.
Harriet, ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ ଜାଣିବା ପାଇଁ ଚାହୁଁଛି ହରିତ ଯେତେବେଳେ ପିଏନବି ପିଓ ପାଇଲେ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ରିଆକ୍ସନ କଣ ଥିଲା ଏସଓ ପାଇଲେ କଣ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ରିଆକ୍ସନ ଥିଲା
Sir, time was around 12 o'clock. Now also I remember it was daytime. Then when I saw, means I was doing registration of 2017, and it was showing the data that your data is invalid. Then I saw how my data is invalid. Then again I searched my mail ID. I put up the registration number. When I clicked on it, then I saw that okay, I got PNV means SO. Then I was sitting on the top floor. Then I went down. My father was sleeping. I went and touched his feet that I got the job. Then he was really happy, and tears also came down from my eyes
Okay.
as I got the
Okay.
job after many years. Yes, sir.
Okay. Then how you celebrate your success?
Till today also, sir, I really don't believe that I got the job in PNB. Till today, means due to
Okay.
lockdown, sir, I'm not able to go in Bhubaneswar. So I'm celebrating with my parents only here, sir, because no friends are here in my village. All are
Okay,
in
that is the real
Bhubaneswar.
success. That is the real celebration. You are celebrating
Yes,
with your
sir.
parents means that is the real celebration. All others are
Yes.
temporary, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, yes,
That
sir.
celebrating with your parents means that is the best celebration. What I feel in the soul.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Harit, uh, suppose you are posted in your home districts,
Yes, sir.
right? Then what you will do
Yes, sir.
for a future aspirant of banking?
Sir, first of all, I would make aware that banking is a job in which we have the good security, like we have the respectable. All will come to know and and know that okay, this guy is doing a government job, because nowadays it's not an easy task to get a government job. So I would like to suggest the young generation, those who are, so they need that sufficient practice they need, sir, to get a government job, because it's not a 1 to 2 3 times attempt then we can get success, because who knows success will lie at the next attempt. So if I get posted in my home district, sir, first of all I would means help the poor guy, those who are not able to afford the money, and I will
Okay,
teach them the basic.
okay, you have to create the awareness among your peoples, right? How
Yes,
to
sir.
get
Yes,
in
sir.
the bank, SSCs or railways, right?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Hari,
sir.
तो टाइम सरी आसिलानी मु लास्ट
Yes, sir.
क्वेश्चन मु पचारिबा
Yes, sir.
चाहिबी as a banker now you have a responsibility for the society.
Yes, sir.
How can you help the poorest of the poor?
Sir, nowadays I can help by giving financial those who need money, like they want to apply the IPS form if they've studied well, and if they want, they like in nowadays cooperative bank PO form is rupees 1,000 rupees. Poor guys cannot afford it, but IPS is conducting around 600, but SSC form is around 200, and railway is around 500. But railway is returning the money if we give the exam. So
Okay.
if anyone want to join in banking sector, he may get job easily, not easily, within 1 year he can get, like it's not like railway or SSC, it take too much time. So I would help him by giving some financial money if he need.
Okay.
And keep in touch with him, like I will keep on regulating him whether he is studying or not, taking whatever the upcoming exams, whether he is qualifying the prelims or not. These are the things I would like to do with needy guys, sir.
Okay, Harit, tomorrow interview re kete mark thila actually?
Sir, I got 13, sir. Out of 20, I got 13. Yes, but in 2015 I got only 9 marks. Really,
That is 65. You are getting 65 this year.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. Harit, ଆଜିର ଡିସ୍କସନ କୁ ଏଇଠି ରଖିବା। ମୁଁ ଜଗନ୍ନାଥଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ପ୍ରାର୍ଥନା କରୁଛି ଯେ ତୁମେ ତୁମର ଲାଇଫର ଯାହା ବି ଡ୍ରିମ ରଖିଛ ଫୁଲଫିଲ କର। ତୁମମାନଙ୍କୁ ଦେଖି ଓଡ଼ିଶାର କୂଳ ଅନୁକୂଳରୁ ସବୁ ପିଲା ଆସି ଯେମିତିକି ତୁମ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଗୋଟେ ଏକ୍ସାମ୍ପଲ୍ସ ନେଇ ଲାଇଫରେ ଆଗକୁ ବଢିଯିବେ, ଯେକୌଣସି ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ସେକ୍ଟରରେ ନିଜକୁ ଏଷ୍ଟାବ୍ଲିଶ କରିବେ। ରାଇଟ୍, ଆଉ ଭାବୁଛି ଯେ ତୁମେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଫାଇନାନ୍ସିଆଲି ହେଲ୍ପ ଚାହୁଁନି, ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ରପର ଗାଇଡାନ୍ସ ଦରକାର, କାରଣ ଓଡ଼ିଶା ଭଳିଆ ରାଜ୍ୟରେ କ୍ୟାରିୟର କାଉନ୍ସିଲିଂ ର ଘୋର ଅଭାବ। ରାଇଟ୍, ତେଣୁ କ୍ୟାରିୟର କାଉନ୍ସିଲିଂ ବି ପିଲାମାନଙ୍କୁ ଦରକାର, ଯୋଉଟାକି ଆମେ ଫିଲ୍ କରୁଛେ। ରାଇଟ୍, ତ ଏଇଥିରୁ ମୁଁ ଆଜି କାର୍ଯ୍ୟକ୍ରମର ଚତୁର୍ଥ ଏପିସୋଡ ଏଇଠି ରଖୁଛି। ପୁଣି ରବିବାର ଦିନ ସନ୍ଧ୍ୟା 8ଟା ବେଳେ ଜଣେ ନୂଆ ଗେଷ୍ଟ ସହିତ ଆମେ ଏଠି ଉପସ୍ଥିତ ରହିବା। ଭଗବାନଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ଏତିକି ପ୍ରାର୍ଥନା, ଆମର ଉତ୍ତରତର ଉନ୍ନତି ହଉ, ପଞ୍ଜାବ ନ୍ୟାସନାଲ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କର ବହୁତ ଉପରକୁ ଯାଅ। ରାଇଟ୍, ଜୀବନରେ ସବୁ କିଛି ଆସିବ, ବଟ୍ ହେଲେ ରିଆଲିଟି ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ। ଆମେ ଗ୍ରାଉଣ୍ଡରେ ରହିବା ଦରକାର। ଏତିକି ମୁଁ ହରିତ ଭାଇଙ୍କୁ କହିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି। ହରିତ ଭାଇ ବୋଲି ନାହିଁ, ଓଡ଼ିଶାର ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କର, ଏସଏସସି, ରେଲୱେ ଆସ୍ପିରାଣ୍ଟ କହିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି। ଆଜିର ମୋ କଥାର ସମୟ ସରି ଆସୁଛି। ମୁଁ ଚନ୍ଦ୍ରଭାନୁ ଭୂୟାଁ ମୋ କଥାକୁ ଏଇଠି ରଖୁଛି। Thank you very much. We'll meet soon on Sunday. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.